Hi guys, Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com, and I'm going to talk to you today about what to do when you hit a plateau on the keto diet. So one thing that happens when people first switch over to the ketogenic diet, the keto diet, is that they experience some rapid results. It is exciting to see the scale change quickly and to start feeling better than you felt in a long time. It's completely normal for those initial rapid results to sort of slow down and plateau into a more sustainable pace. That is normal. That happens to everyone. It's all part of it. But I'm going to share some tips to help you when your weight loss has plateaued on the keto diet so that you can get back to making progress and to help you not get discouraged. So number one is to start tracking your carbs again. It's easy to stop tracking your daily intake once you feel like you get the hang of the keto diet. But if you are plateaued, then I highly recommend that you bust out your favorite app, start tracking everything that's going into your mouth to make sure that you're not exceeding your personal daily carb limit. You might find that you need to swap out some of your snacks for less carby options or make smarter choices at mealtime because those little carbs tend to add up over the day. So start tracking again. That will help you get back on track with your results. Number two is to increase your protein. So sometimes something as simple as bumping up your protein is going to be enough to help you get back on track and start seeing results again. You can start with as little as 15 grams per day or bump it up to add 30 grams of protein a day, but make this small tweak in your daily caloric goals and measure what happens. Number three is to switch up your exercise routine. So if you're somebody who hasn't been exercising at all, maybe you started with the keto diet, you started making changes to what you eat in a day. When you start to plateau, it might be time to start thinking about how you can incorporate more movement into your day, whether that's a walk, a jog before your family gets up, or you might want to start checking out options at the local gym. If you are somebody who works out regularly, say you work out 3 days a week for an hour, you might want to try working out 30 to 40 minutes 5 days a week. So a plateau is just a sign that your body is used to what you're doing. So any way that you can sort of change that up is going to help push through that plateau to get you closer to your goal. Number four is to incorporate fasting. If you haven't been doing intermittent fasting with your keto diet, now is the time that you're going to want to start. You're going to want to pick an 8-hour window. Most people pick 11 to 7 or 12 to 8. So you're going to want to skip breakfast and then start eating at 11 and stop eating, have your final meal at 6:30 so that you finish right at 7 o'clock. And then that fasting is going to allow your body to use up all of the food that you ate. It's going to give your body time to use all of that fuel so that it can tap into the stored fuel on your body, aka the food that you ate 3 years ago that's been hanging around on your thighs. Number five is to time your carbs wisely. So if you're sticking to 20 grams of carbohydrates, it might help you push past this plateau if you eat those same carbohydrates that you would normally eat, but you eat them 15 to 30 minutes before your workout. What is going to happen is that your intense workout is going to help blunt your body's natural response to those carbohydrates. So it will allow you to push past that plateau. Try it and see what happens. Number six is to do a ketogenic cycle. So what this means is that you're not going to go completely off of a ketogenic diet, but you can have a day where you add in a little bit more carbohydrates than normal. You want to pick good sources of carbohydrates. You want to still stick to like sweet potatoes and vegetables, but allow yourself to go a little bit higher than normal so that you're technically out of the keto range and more in the high fat, low carb range. And then go back to keto and see what happens. Sometimes a plateau is just a sign that you just need to trip your body up a little bit, reset it, shake things up a little bit, and then you'll find that once you go back to doing what you were doing before, you'll be able to start seeing results again. So I hope these tips helped. Please subscribe for more videos and keto tips, and thank you for watching.